YouTube, what's going on, man? It is your boy Young Sniper coming back again with another banger video. We got my dog Andrew in this bitch right now. He just, you know what I'm saying, successfully brought us all the way back up here to Infiniti. You know what I'm saying? These boys hit me up yesterday. They said, come pick your shit up. So, you know what I'm saying? A real nigga is out here. I'm finna get ready to get out. Oh, shit, y'all. Y'all can see we done made it out here. Damn, I just dropped the goddamn wall of my tweet. Finna go in here and see what these folks talking about. You already know how that go. Get this motherfucker. And yeah, y'all, I can't wait. Got them new turbos on that bitch now. I'm finna see what that motherfucker talking about, man. That bitch finna be talking about leaving some shit. I think I'm gonna walk through this door. Or no, we gonna go over here. We gonna go in here. Coming at Q50? What red car? Oh, you talking about this bitch right here? Damn, bro. I think it's a bitch ass nigga, Andrew, bro. That nigga shit tough, bro. That motherfucker nasty out there, bro. Bro, nigga having money on for real, bro. We pulled up in the big body Nissan, you know what I'm saying? That bitch crazy. I ain't even gonna cap. You know what I'm saying? Oh shit, that boy said he come trim for the video. That slow ass run. I will recommend Nolly Infiniti myself. Nolly Infiniti of Atlanta. I'm recommending them my damn self. No, they do not change my oil for my car or anything like that, but the way that they handled my situation, my case and everything like that, I truly, really do appreciate that. And it's just hard out here to find. I had to flip the camera, y'all, but it's hard out here to find good customer service, and it's a blessing to say that I actually did get some good customer service. So, you know what I'm saying? That's real good. But I just can't wait to hop back in my baby, man, and see what this motherfucker talking about, because, oh my, I'm finna call Trump. Oh shit. That's my bitch over there?
That's your bitch. Let this nigga drive your car. This nigga fucking your bitch.
Damn. Hold on, y'all. Y'all probably gonna hear that bitch crank up. That bitch quiet as hell. But I can hear that motherfucker, though. Here it go.
You need to put the camera over here, man. Like that motherfucker.
You know what I'm saying?
Over there.
Yes. So, oh, they finna wash my shit? What the fuck? These niggas finna wash my... Oh, hell yeah, y'all. Like I said, bring y'all ass up here to Nolly Infiniti of Atlanta. But I am not gonna cap. I am cold as hell. I'm cold as fuck. He cold as hell, nigga hurt up with my shit. Plus, I don't take my shit through no goddamn car wash like that. But what the fuck what he doing? But regardless, though, I really do appreciate it, because it's piling out this bitch right now. You know what I'm saying? So, I guess they trying to give me my shit back looking a little spiffy. Y'all see that motherfucker being washed. I don't like how the way that nigga just hopped in my shit, just cranked my shit up and took off, though. That's real. Lame ass nigga. No, I'm saying that shit. He did what, twin?
He fucked your bitch in front of you. Like, me personally, bro, like, I would not go for that shit.
You wanna go for that shit?
That's none of my business though. Like, that's just.
But I'm saying though, twin, like, I heard a nigga ran off with your shit though.
You heard it?
Hey, bro, somebody told me, bro. Y'all see how his mirror messed up on the left side? They said somebody took off with this nigga shit and just rent that bitch, twin. You go for that, bro? And matter of fact, I know the person that did that shit. No comment, twin. Okay, then, man. That's what I'm saying, bro. See, look, this is what we finna go get Andrew right here. This red motherfucker. The lights on the hill, you know what I'm saying? Definitely slide in. Twin gonna come trim. You need to hurry up with this slow ass car wash. I'm trying to see what my shit talking about. But I'm probably gonna pick the camera back up when my shit, you know what I'm saying, pull back around this motherfucker. You already know we in the fucking heaven of infinities right now. So, all right, y'all, just pull it up in my baby. Finally got her back. I really do appreciate that. Thank you. Now, do you know what happened to the it had a lanyard on here? Oh, it's in the thing. All right, bet, for sure. Bro, you see how bald them bitches is, twin? I'm talking about stupid bald ass. That shit crazy as hell. Y'all, I am back inside of the real deal, you know what I'm saying? Big dog, y'all already know I gave him this motherfucker with no gas in it. at all. So, you know what I'm saying? We got Andrew behind us right now. Finna get ready to go to the gas station on some smooth shit. Look at this nigga. Woo! I ain't gonna count, y'all. This motherfucker just... he just turned the hazards on my ass. This nigga hell. I ain't even gonna count. But like I said, man, if y'all have any problems going on with your Q50 and you need anything done to it, you got a warranty or anything like that, bro, I 100% recommend Nolly Infiniti, and I'm gonna let y'all know who handled my case. His name is Mateo. Ask for Mateo to handle y'all's situation. That nigga is real as fuck. I'm not gonna cap. Fuck with that nigga. But me and Andrew finna get some... Oh, I gotta get some fucking gas real quick. I can't do a damn thing until I get some gas in this motherfucker. Damn, they got a Porsche over there, y'all. Fuck that Porsche, though. There ain't shit no lane shit. I'm just happy and excited to be back in my baby, y'all. It's truly a blessing. They better not be waxing for no fucking gas over here either. God. Y'all already know my boy Andrew be sliding in the motherfucking sun, man. He don't... What the fuck? Y'all, these folks just tried to kill my ass. These niggas just took my ass. Boy. Oh my God, I could have just died. Oh, I thought that was 12. Oh shit, he finna kill them niggas. That nigga tweet, bro. Hey, bro, I got this lame ass nigga on cam. Fuck no, bitch ass nigga. Bitch ass nigga. Nigga almost made me just rap my shit, y'all. Nigga tweet, but you know we finna go hot this nigga Andrew. Already know how we come. Trump. Take this motherfucking Cadillac too. Look at that boy Andrew. That boy hell, man. Behind these goddamn motorcyclists. And they slowing down and shit. Oh shit! That boy Andrew said he come trim, he don't get no fucks. Look at him. We out of there. His ass taking this. Andrew funny as fuck, y'all. Y'all, these folks listen to Lil Baby and shit in front of me. Got the whole little line up, you know what I'm saying? Them boys come tripping. But I ain't gonna lie, y'all. This motherfucker driving so, like, literally different. I'm not gonna count. Like, it be eating. I ain't gonna cap you down. Damn, wrong cut. Damn, these niggas trim. Them boys on no bikes gonna trim. Hold on, I'm finna go get they ass. Yeah. The real one. They know that Q50 gonna keep up. They can't lead a fin. And I'm in eco on these niggas, y'all. You know, they can't lead Andrew either. You know he come true. Why, as soon as they make a cut, they want to start cutting up. I'm finna get on that ass, boy. What the fuck? They had Trump. These folk right here having a whole ass conversation with somebody. Look at her. That's why y'all don't ride next to folks. You know know what I'm saying, on the highway. You never know. Then they ain't got no tent. Come on, man.
Keep talking shit, boom. Okay, boom. Keep talking shit, boom. Okay, I spin a nigga block with an M15, put it on cool. Nigga walk around the city running hit dick, sucker boy ain't there, nigga took that jewel. Rat nigga hoes ain't nothing me to prove. Rat nigga hoe be taking my move. Checking that nigga be taking my lingo. Roll down.